Sup everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We talk about real estate and apps that involve money on this channel. And we're going to be talking about the Cash App and how you can set up recurring transfers between your bank account and Cash App. That means that on a frequent or regular basis, you can have money deposited into your account. So let's go ahead and start by opening the Cash App up. Then you want to click on the icon in the bottom left-hand corner. Once you're here, you want to scroll down and click on where it says recurring deposits. Now, once this is actually clicked on, you can determine what is the frequency you want cash to be added. So do you want it daily, weekly, or monthly? For this example, I'll select weekly. From here, you can pick what day out of the week you want the transfer to actually happen. So let's say, for instance, Wednesday. After that, you can pick the amount that you want to transfer on a weekly basis. Let's back out of this and try doing it daily. This next, you just pick the amount you want daily. Now let's try something different. Let's say if you want a transfer to happen on a monthly basis. Click on monthly, and then you'll be able to pick the date that you want the transfer to happen on a monthly basis. So you can arrange it so that a transfer will trigger on the 15th, on the 20th, or the 1st of the month. It's up to you. That covers how to set up recurring transfers on the Cash App. I would caution you to make sure you remember that you set this up, and make sure that however the daily or weekly or monthly interval that you set up to have the recurring transfers in, whatever bank account that the money is coming from, I would make sure that I keep at least that minimum balance in that bank account, because we do want to avoid overdraft fees if your bank institution does charge them. And you also want to avoid any kind of inconvenience on Cash App because they try and pull it and it's not there. Obviously, we don't want that. So just make sure you keep your minimum balance above the amount that you set in terms of recurring transfers. Just a little banking accounting advice there. But that does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It's very much appreciated. Subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification if you want to know when we drop another video. And speaking of other videos, be sure to check out the other tutorials we have on the Cash App so that you can have everything you need when it comes to the Cash App in terms of information, so you're equipped to do what you need. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.